Okay. Hello everyone, this is Sherry. Today I'm introducing our horizontal mixing machine. This machine is 500 liters. Its material is stainless steel. This machine can mix powder and particle. The material of this machine is stainless steel. We also can customize the material into carbon steel and other materials. We also can customize the machine such as make the heating function and cooling function, and also can make the lid into This is the discharge of the machine. We also can customize into the automatic discharging method. This is a manual discharge method. As the machine, we also can customize the thickness of the machine. We can customize the machine according to your needs. If you have any needs, please feel free to connect us.